What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Pico.Blurred, and today's the day. I got my chair. They delivered it this morning. I've been at work, so I haven't been able to go and check it out, but it's at the house right now. As soon as I get home, we can start bringing it upstairs and unboxing it. But first, somebody is coming to get my old barber chair right now, so we gotta go get that and bring it downstairs and then get that sold. And I've had that chair for about 4 years. I got it when I first started. It wasn't anything super expensive because I didn't have money, to get something super crazy. So it's a cheap chair. It filled out its use, and now we're upgrading. So to get rid of that chair, hopefully it's supposed to be going to somebody good. She said that she's picking it up for Christmas so she can build her daughter a salon in her barn, which is super awesome. I'm loving that it's going to somebody like that. But anyways, let's get to the house and say one last goodbye to the chair and get that thing gone.
Oh my god, is that Pico.Blurred?
All right, y'all, it's time to say goodbye to the chair. It's been a good run for how cheap it was. Like I said, it's pretty in good condition. I haven't used it all that much, but we're leveling up. So that's what we got to do. We always got to level up. I got my new chair downstairs. I'm going to bring the boxes upstairs, bring this chair downstairs and get it sold. So bro, it's not working. This usually works first try. Hold up. Maybe I gotta. There we go. Now I got it working. Look at these huge boxes, man. As you can see, I got my barber chair from Artist Hand Beauty. I was looking on there. They had some really great prices, especially for the holidays. Super dope looking chairs. But actually, I got it from Shein. So through Artist Hand, they had a listing on Shein and it was way cheaper. I'm gonna go over the price after I unbox it and get it all together. And we'll talk about the price, we'll talk about what I like about the chair, all that good stuff. So let's get this unboxing going. All right, y'all, that's my new barber chair. Like I said, I got it from Shein through artisanbeauty.com. Artisan Beauty is pretty reputable. I know that Sean Cuts Hair got his barber chair pretty much like this one from there. They gave it to him for free, and that's the chair that he's been using for a while now. So on artisanbeauty.com, this chair is listed at $999. I got it on Shein for $600. They had a super deal. There was only 2 left in stock, so I had to get it, dude. That's a huge discount. And you already saw how good this chair looks, man. Let's check out some features of it. So, super comfy cushion, armrest. Definitely better than my other barber chair. My other barber chair did not have any cushions on the armrest. It was straight like hard plastic or whatever it was. I'm not sure what the material was, but it was super hard. But this is super soft, man. Pretty comfortable, and it does recline. I gotta get the headrest fixed if I'm gonna lay back like this, because it's not up where my neck is, but it reclines all the way, dude. Let me step off and show you guys, because that thing reclines, man. Those beard trims, hot towels, gonna feel great on this. And get this footrest leans over, so you can kick back and put your calves on it. Cushion calf right here. You're gonna be sleeping in the chair. Also, right here, super cool, man. If you don't want to use this headrest, you got a holder for it. I don't gotta put mine on. I used to put mine on the floor. You know how dirty the floor is? It gets hair all over the place. Now I don't even gotta worry about that. I can just set it right there. And with this, here, let me put that here. I'm gonna recline the chair back up. I never had this. I've had it in my barber school, but I haven't had a chair like this. So here's like, I want to put it in. I want to show you guys. So let me put it in a little bit. All right. So it has these locks on it, and if you press this button right here, it drops it. Right, and then it locks to each setting. And if you don't want it like that, you just drop it. Push that button, and it's all the way down. Oh, look how clean that looks, dude. I'm so happy with this chair, man. It took forever to put it together. Me and my wife just got done. It took literally almost 2 hours. It was so hard to do, but just look at it. It's well worth the effort. Well worth it, dude. Oh, I'm so happy. I can't wait to get somebody in the chair and get them cut up, man, because they're gonna be in luxury. They're probably gonna talk about it when they get in here, man. It's crazy. But like I said, I'm always finding a deal somewhere. I don't know how, I'm always finding a deal somewhere. Back when I got my Gamma X Ergos, when they first released, I'm talking about when they were fresh on the market, when they first released, they were like, what, almost $300? I got them for like half that on a website. I just took a risk and it paid off. Like I wouldn't even have gotten them if I didn't have them for that price. So I got super lucky, man. This chair, I got super lucky. Like I said, I can't wait to use it. It's such a showpiece for this room, especially with the new kind of like layout that I did. I'm so excited, man. I'm speechless. I just can't. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like, leave a comment if you love this chair, man. Let me know what you're feeling about it. I have a couple other videos up. Go check them out. Help support the channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Definitely, literally I appreciate all the support. I appreciate every comment that I get. because it lets me know that you guys are watching and you guys enjoy the content. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully I can get a cut soon and then we can test out the chair. But anyways, I'm tired. I wanna go relax now. So I'm gonna get out of here. It's your boy Pico.Blurred, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.